Okay, and we've been rationalizing things. Here comes a deadly question at the end. They say the area of a trapezoid is given by area equals 1/2 HA plus B. So we're talking about a shape like this, a trapezoid. H is the height, and then the sides, the parallel sides are the A and the B. It doesn't really matter which one's which. You're adding them together anyway. So, let's clear that out of there. We're going to need all our space, I suspect. They say the area is 20, and that would have come from 1/2 times an h, which we don't know, and then a plus b, which are root 6 and root 5. And they want us to find h, the distance between the parallel sides. So if we're solving this for h, we're going to multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the 1/2. And then we're going to divide by root 6 plus root 5. And at this point, we would be done if it weren't for that pesky rule about rationalizing denominators. So they will want us to do this. Multiply by the conjugate. If we do it downstairs, we must also do it upstairs. And now we clean this up. Our height is 40 root 6 minus 40 root 5 over, and when you FOIL this, you get 6. The outside and inside cancel out, and last you get root 5 times negative root 5, which is negative 5. This is nice. This doesn't happen often, but it's wonderful when it does. 40 root 6 minus 40 root 5. Look what happens in the denominator. 6 take away 5 is 1, and you don't even need to bother writing that. You can write this all nice and clean as 40 root 6 minus 40 root 5, and that's all you need. If you wanted, you could even, I suppose, write it in factored form. Do they say which one they want? Determine the exact value of the distance between the parallel sides. Answer with a rational denominator. Well, the denominator is 1, so it ends up being like an invisible 1. I'd say either of these is acceptable. They're both nice looking answers and easy to read and work with. So one of those two, whichever makes you happy.